7.0. Before this, I wish you all. Now you see the +1 result. I hope you have 100% result in my class. Congratulations to all. Okay. Now let us take my lesson, PageMaker 7.0. Okay. In this lesson, you see some of the PageMaker application in two parts. Okay. The chapter heading is an introduction to Adobe PageMaker. We take two parts. The lesson is too big, so I split the lesson as two parts. First part we see from page 17 to 37. Desktop publishing. What is desktop publishing? Simply we say as DTP. DTP is the creation of the page layout for document using the DTP software. For example, if you see the magazine or newspaper, it should be published with the DTP software. We simply call it as Adobe PageMaker. We learn Adobe PageMaker. Here is the image. Who found the Adobe PageMaker? Adobe PageMaker was found by Paul Brinded. It's an American. He found the Adobe PageMaker. It is just for your information only. And then I show the DTP image, desktop publishing image, sample PageMaker work. I should be given video in this editorial. We learn lab work as how to do PageMaker properly. Okay. Then in this lesson, I already announced you part 1 contain the following topic: desktop publishing, introduction to Adobe PageMaker, opening PageMaker, creating a new document, entering text in the document, editing text in the document, text block, understanding story, threading text block, linking frame containing text. We see one by one. Before I show the PowerPoint, just to go through the lesson thoroughly and then you see the clip. Okay. Then I give introduction to Adobe PageMaker. Adobe PageMaker is a page layout software. What is page layout software? If you see the magazine or if you see the newspaper or in Tamil or English, the news can be printed. It should be developed in the Adobe PageMaker. It is used to design and produce document that can be printed. So printed document easy. Page layout software include tools that allow you to easily position text and graphics on document page. If we set the document page, we see some of the tools. The tools is simply in. It should be given elaborately later. For example, PageMaker, Adobe PageMaker example, newsletter or pictures, anyone, graphics, and so on. Then how to open PageMaker? Before I give introduction, in my next session, I shall demo the PageMaker. Just now in this slide, just you know thoroughly how to open. In the Windows 7 operating system, we can open Adobe PageMaker using the command. Windows 7, what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is the operating system we familiarly use in our lab. It should be, it's a command, start all program, Adobe PageMaker 7.0, Adobe PageMaker 7.0, or icon should be used to open the PageMaker. It's a 2-mark question. How to open the PageMaker? This is the answer to you. And the next 2-mark question, opening a new document. How to open a new document in PageMaker? Very simple, 3 points, 3-mark question. Also it also it should be in 3-mark question. We set as 3-mark question. To create a new document, first of all you choose the file new in the menu bar or press Ctrl N. Just you go through the theory. I show the demo in the last session. It means part 3 session I show you. Properly demo should be given. It should be learned properly. Enter the appropriate setting for your new document in the document setting dialog box. If you see the document setting dialog box, it should be the file new. Click file new or shortcut key control N, and then last one click OK. Sorry, the click is spelling mistake. Just you rectify it. Okay. The next one, page maker tools. The tool box in your book is to be explained elaborately in page number 21. Some of the table should be given. You see, if you refer the book in page number 21, properly they say some of the toolbox. I simply say some of the tools: text tool, cropping tool, line tool, frame tool, ellipse frame tool, polygon frame tool, zoom tool, hand tool, polygon tool, ellipse tool, rectangle tool, line tool, rotating tool, pointer tool. It should be elaborated in your book properly in page number 21. Just you go through the book and also refer table 2.2 toolbox usage in page number 22. The toolbox cursor usage should be given. It should be the important 5 mark question to you. Okay, the next one, how to enter text in the document. What is text block? Text block in PageMaker, the text of the document can be typed inside the text block. Very simple. You know, notepad in first year, just like the notepad, see text block, it's a frame. Within the frame, you just type the text whatever you want. And then insertion point. What is insertion point? You learn in the OpenOffice software. The same in the first year, insertion point. The same process can be given. As the characters are typed, the flashing vertical bar called the insertion point move to the right. You see in the OpenOffice software. And then what is the purpose of enter key? The enter key must not be pressed at the end of the each line of the text block. It's just for example, just you know the what is text block, what is insertion point, what is enter key. And then how to editing text? It means if you commit any mistake, how it should be rectified properly. It should be in the clip. First one, selecting text. The text can be selected using the mouse or the keyboard. Suppose if you type one paragraph, the same paragraph can be copied to the next one. It should be just selected. The next one, deleting text. If you commit any mistake, it should be deleted properly. We can easily delete a character or a word or block of the text. It means simply we delete the text, use backspace key or delete key properly. Undo. The undo command is used to reverse the action of the last command. Undo means nothing. Properly, nothing. So undo. Undo means don't you do anything. We simply call it as undo. And then copying the text. The selected text can be copied and pasted in the required position. For example, simply you learn in the OpenOffice software called copy paste. It should be applied here. And then next one, text block. In PageMaker, what is text block? A text block contains text we type, paste or import. We cannot see the border of a text block until we select it with the pointer tool. It should be explained properly in the PageMaker 1.0 demo. Don't worry that. Just you go to the theory, what is the text block? It's a 2 more question to you. Then understanding story, it's a 3 more question. A PageMaker story is similar to a newspaper article. If you share the newspaper article, it should be not in the one page, it contains 20 pages and so on. So it should be properly do in the story. We say a story. Story means various pages. In PageMaker, several stories may appear on the same publication. What is publication? Publication is printed matter. Is simply called as publication, news, and contain elsewhere in the publication. So we simply call it as understanding story is a point to you. And then linking frame containing text. Linking, what is link? A single frame cannot be more enough to hold the entire story. We are using a large amount of text. We can link frame together so that an entire story is visible. It means all the information cannot be shown in one page in the newspaper. It should be, for example, if you like sports, the sports news can be given in the separate page. So it should be the link. So we give us the linking frame based upon the PageMaker 7.0. Some of the options can be given. We should be elaborately see in my demo software. Okay, thank you.